Welcome to Steven's Garage. Today, I'm working on this 1990 Ford F-150 with the 5-liter V8, and I'm going to be replacing the alternator. Very simple to do. I'm not going to need many tools. Just going to need a 5/8 socket, as well as a 1/2-inch drive for the battery, and a 9/16. So to start off, you want to disconnect your battery, and then you need to remove the belt off the tensioner off the alternator, which I've already done, which is where I used the 5/8 on this nut. Pull up and you slide the belt off. So once you have the belt slid off, take it off the alternator, and we are ready to unbolt this. It's 9/16 bolt up here and a 5/8 down below. You want to unhook this connector, which plugs in up here, as well as unhooking the side connector, which is down below. So I removed both bolts, lower one and upper one. Got the cabling out of the way, and you should be able to just pull the alternator right out. Now I'm going to go grab the new one. Okay, so I got the new alternator in. Did have to reclock it, which I will put out another video showing you guys how to do so. So now I am ready to put the belt back on. Usually you will have a diagram on your grill showing you which way the belt goes. And then you just take the 5/8, put it back on the tensioner, pull it up, slide the belt on. Belt's on, everything looks good. Everything's been tightened down, rechecked. So what you're gonna do is, before you hook up the cables, you're gonna check the battery, the voltage on it, make sure it's around 12. Then after you get the battery connectors on, tighten down, fire up the truck, and then you're going to come back out here and recheck to see what your voltage is at, and it should be around 14. And if it is, the system's charging, everything's good to go. If not, then it's not charging, so you have an issue with your new alternator. But that's how it's done. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button.